Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of woodworking with some simple yet cool wooden craft projects that not only beautify your living space, but can also turn a profit. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and start a side hustle, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll showcase three unique wooden crafts: a stylish wooden shelf, a rustic planter box, and decorative coasters. Each project is easy to make and perfect for adding charm to your home while also being marketable. Whether for yourself or to sell, these pieces are sure to impress. Let's go over what you'll need for these projects. Basic materials include wood boards, wood glue, sandpaper, and a few tools like a saw, drill, and measuring tape. Don't worry if you're on a budget. These materials are accessible and can be sourced from local hardware stores or even reclaimed wood. I'll walk you through each project step by step. From cutting and assembling to finishing the wood, you'll gain valuable skills along the way. By the end of this video, you'll not only have beautiful pieces for your home, but also the confidence to create more complex projects in the future. What's great about these crafts is their profit potential. I'll share tips on pricing your items, marketing them online, and finding local craft fairs where you can sell. With a little effort, you could turn your hobby into a lucrative side business, all while enjoying the satisfaction of creating something beautiful. I want to hear from you. If you enjoy these projects, please like and subscribe, and share your own wooden crafts in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and build a community of makers who support one another in our woodworking journeys. So, grab your tools, and let's dive into these fun and profitable wooden craft projects. I can't wait to see how you personalize them for your living space or transform them into something marketable. Let's get started and bring some creativity into our homes and beyond.